Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will to showing you the way how you can do a text effect on your Photoshop on mobile phone. So you just need to open your Photoshop application on your mobile phone, and then you just need to wait until the application is open, and then the next thing you need to do is just go open the picture that you want to add the text to, and then you just need to wait until your project is loaded. And the next thing you need to do is just go adding the text into this picture. You can just take a look on this bottom side, and then you just need to swipe it into the left side for finding the text features. You need to wait until the loading process is just finished. Perfect. Now swipe into the left side, and there could be a text there, so you just need to tap into the text, and you just need to add the text that you want to add here. Let's say I would like to do it the Karina, and then tap done. So first you just need to adjust in the font by tapping into this font, and then just pick the font that you want to use for the text. There could be several options that you can use for the font that are already provided by the application itself. You just need to wait until it's opened. Just pick one of them. Perfect, and then you just need to adjust in the size too. Right after that, you just need to go tap into the styles, and you can also get this type of styles that you want, but then if you don't want it, just go skip it and tap into the color, and then you just need to pick the color that you want to add here. And then next you just need to swipe it again into the right side, and then next you just need to duplicate this text here. By go tap again into the text and type this the same with what we already written before. Okay, tap again, then tap done, and then make sure that you also use the same font as you used for the previous text that we got. Perfect, and then make it like bigger, and then you just need to place them in the top side of the first text that we add. Okay, perfect, and now you already got this 3D text on your photos. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.